Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a constantly evolving field, adapting to new technologies and trends. It's crucial to stay ahead of the curve to maintain a competitive edge. AI chatbots are emerging as game changers in the SEO world, transforming traditional practices. These intelligent assistants are revolutionizing how we approach SEO research, making it more efficient and effective. They offer unparalleled insights and automation capabilities, streamlining the entire process. Imagine having a tireless assistant that works around the clock. This assistant can sift through mountains of data in seconds, providing you with valuable information. It can identify golden keyword opportunities that you might have missed. AI chatbots make this a reality, bringing advanced capabilities to your fingertips. They empower businesses to make data-driven decisions, leading to better outcomes. They can significantly enhance their online visibility, driving more traffic and engagement. Gone are the days of manual keyword research and analysis, which were time-consuming and tedious. AI chatbots automate these tasks, freeing up your time for other important activities. They provide you with comprehensive and actionable insights, helping you improve your SEO strategies. This allows you to focus on strategic decision-making, rather than getting bogged down in details. It lets you optimize your website for maximum impact, ensuring you get the best results possible. Keywords are the lifeblood of SEO. They determine your website's visibility and search results. AI chatbots excel at uncovering hidden keyword opportunities. They analyze vast amounts of data. They identify relevant keywords that you might have missed. Traditional keyword research tools often fall short. They provide a limited view of the keyword landscape. AI chatbots, on the other hand, delve deeper. They uncover long-tail keywords and niche phrases. These can drive highly targeted traffic to your website. AI chatbots don't just stop at identifying keywords. They also provide valuable insights into keyword competition. You can understand how difficult it would be to rank for specific keywords. This allows you to prioritize your SEO efforts effectively. Search engine algorithms are constantly changing. It's a challenge to keep up with the latest updates. AI chatbots come to the rescue. They monitor these algorithms in real time. They provide you with the insights you need to stay ahead. By analyzing search engine results pages, or SERPs, AI chatbots identify ranking factors. These factors are crucial for ranking well. They track changes in these factors. This allows you to adapt your SEO strategy accordingly. The ability to react quickly to algorithm updates is invaluable. It can mean the difference between ranking high and being lost in the search results. AI chatbots empower you to ride the algorithm wave. They keep your website optimized for the ever-changing SEO landscape. Content is king in the SEO world, but creating high-quality content is not enough. It needs to be optimized for both search engines and users. AI chatbots can help you craft content that ranks well and resonates with your audience. AI-powered writing assistants analyze top-ranking content. They identify patterns and best practices. They provide you with suggestions to improve your content's relevance, clarity, and readability. Moreover, AI chatbots can help you optimize your content for specific keywords. They ensure that your content aligns with search intent. This increases your chances of ranking higher in search results. By leveraging AI's optimization power, you can create content that attracts more organic traffic. Section 5. Spy on the competition, AI's competitive edge. In the competitive online world, it's essential to know your competitors. AI chatbots provide you with a powerful tool for competitor analysis. They analyze your competitors' websites, identifying their strengths and weaknesses. AI chatbots can uncover your competitors' top-performing keywords and reveal their backlink profiles. This information is invaluable for developing an effective SEO strategy. By understanding your competitors' tactics, you can identify opportunities to outrank them and learn from their mistakes. AI-powered competitor analysis gives you a competitive edge in the search results. Section 6. Efficiency unleashed, time-saving with AI chatbots. Time is a precious resource for any business, and managing it effectively can be the difference between success and failure. SEO research can be incredibly time-consuming, involving the meticulous analysis of data, tracking of keywords, and constant monitoring of competitors. AI chatbots automate many of these tasks, freeing up your time so you can focus on other important aspects of your business, such as innovation and growth. Imagine having hours of your week back, hours that you can reinvest into your business. You can now dedicate this reclaimed time to strategic planning, content creation, or even exploring new business opportunities. AI chatbots make this possible by handling the repetitive and mundane tasks for you. They streamline your SEO workflow, significantly reducing the time and effort required for effective SEO research and ensuring that your strategies are always up to date. By automating repetitive tasks, AI chatbots allow you to work smarter, not harder, making your daily operations more efficient. You can achieve better SEO results in less time, giving you a competitive edge in the market. This increased efficiency can lead to a higher return on investment for your SEO efforts, ultimately driving more success for your business. Section 7. The future of SEO is here AI-powered strategies. In this section, we will explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way businesses approach search engine optimization. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence are transforming the SEO landscape. These technologies are enabling more precise and efficient data analysis, which is crucial for staying competitive. AI-powered tools and strategies are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, providing actionable insights that were previously unimaginable. They are no longer a luxury, but a necessity for businesses that want to stay ahead of the curve. Companies that fail to adopt these technologies risk falling behind their competitors. AI chatbots are at the forefront of this SEO revolution. These intelligent systems can handle customer inquiries, provide support, and even assist in generating SEO reports. They provide businesses with the insights and automation capabilities they need to succeed in the ever-evolving world of search. By leveraging AI chatbots, companies can enhance their customer service and streamline their SEO efforts. Embracing AI-powered SEO strategies is no longer an option. It's essential for maintaining a competitive edge. These tools offer unparalleled efficiency and accuracy. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative SEO applications. The future holds exciting possibilities for those willing to invest in these cutting-edge technologies. AI chatbots will become even more intelligent and intuitive, providing even greater value to businesses that invest in them. Their ability to learn and adapt will make them indispensable tools in the digital marketing landscape. Section 8. Practical applications integrating AI into your workflow. Integrating AI chatbots into your SEO workflow is easier than you might think. There are many AI-powered SEO tools available. These tools cater to different needs and budgets. You can start by identifying areas of your SEO process that can benefit from automation. For example, you can use an AI chatbot for keyword research. You can also use it to track your website's rankings. You can even use it to get content optimization suggestions. The possibilities are endless. Once you've identified the areas where AI can be most beneficial, you can start experimenting with different tools and strategies. The key is to start small, track your results, and gradually integrate AI into your workflow. Section 9. Case Studies, Real-World Success with AI Chatbots. Don't just take our word for it. Numerous businesses are already reaping the rewards of using AI chatbots for SEO. These real-world success stories demonstrate the tangible benefits of AI-powered SEO. For instance, a leading e-commerce company used an AI chatbot to optimize its product descriptions. The result was a significant increase in organic traffic and sales. Another company used an AI chatbot to improve its website's content relevance. This led to higher search engine rankings and increased brand visibility. These case studies highlight the transformative power of AI chatbots in SEO. They provide compelling evidence that AI is not just a buzzword, but a game changer in the digital marketing landscape. Section 10. Addressing the challenges AI adoption and implementation. While AI chatbots offer tremendous potential for SEO, there are challenges associated with their adoption and implementation. One of the main challenges is the lack of awareness and understanding of AI among businesses. Some businesses are hesitant to embrace AI due to concerns about cost, complexity, or job displacement. However, it's important to note that AI is not meant to replace human marketers. Instead, it's a tool that can augment their capabilities and enhance their productivity. By addressing these challenges through education, training, and collaboration, businesses can overcome the barriers to AI adoption. They can unlock the full potential of AI chatbots for SEO success. Section 11. Embrace the AI revolution. Take your SEO to the next level. The future of SEO is undoubtedly intertwined with artificial intelligence. AI chatbots are leading this revolution. They empower businesses with the insights and automation they need to thrive in the digital age. By embracing AI chatbots, you can gain a competitive edge in the search results. You can unlock new levels of efficiency and productivity. You can drive sustainable organic growth for your business. The time to act is now. Don't get left behind in the AI revolution. Embrace the power of AI chatbots and take your SEO